Hi folks, welcome to Blackpool Seat. My name's Danny. This is just a quick message just to let everyone know that you can now order with us factory new stock, made to measure as it were. You can visit us online, send us an email or give us a call, or better still, pop down and see us. We'll be only too happy to help. You can talk to one of our sales teams, either Morgan or Aidan or Kay, and Ben is our sales manager here at the Blackpool site. And as you can see, we have got plenty of stock available for you to have a look at as well. Used stock which is already here. We have got some new cars available to look at in the showroom as well. So obviously once you talk to one of our sales teams, they'll go through the whole process of ordering a new car for you. Failing that, you can pop down, have a look at what we've got. You can even use what we've got as a benchmark, so you know what specs you want, how you want it looking, what colour, all of which is all down to you. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.